What's up guys, welcome back to another unboxing video. And here we have another one of our in-performance side skirts, and these are in gloss black. And the VZ for these is vz105764 if you want to go check them out on the Vicrez website. Now, these are for the BMW F32 and F36, fitting 2014 to 2020 models. Now, we do also have a set of these in matte black, and those are vz105743 if you are 63 if you want to go check those out on the Vicrez website. And these are 64. Now, we do also include hardware for install for these side skirts, which is a set of screws and washers, as well as some 3M tape. Now here you guys can get a look at that beautiful gloss black side skirt. Now these aren't painted all the way to the inside, just the outside. And of course they are protected with a gloss clear coat on top. And I'm sure you can add more layers if you want more protection. But other than that, you guys can see we have the holes pre-drilled for install for you guys. So all you have to do is simply line it up and mark your holes if you want to pre-drill them, or just go ahead and tap the screw in and install it. And then of course you can go ahead and use 3M tape. This will help to eliminate any rattle or any other noise and help from weather seeping in and just standing inside the side skirt. Other than that, that's pretty much it for these in-performance side skirts. If you want to see more of our BMW products or some more of our other products, just let us know down in the comments what you want to see. Other than that, consider dropping us a like as well as hitting that subscribe button, and maybe consider hitting that notification bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this one.